everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Curator. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that like to hang out with me. I've got Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. You're going to be good so I can get through this box, right, buddy? Curator is a subscription box. It comes in seasonally. It is by Rachel Zoe. It used to be the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. Now it's called Curator, and it's a whole shopping experience. You can shop her site once you're a member, and you can also get this subscription box. It is $125 a quarter, or you can choose to buy it annually. If you do that, it's a little bit cheaper at $450, and you get a $50 savings. You're supposed to get a $400 value from your money. Here's what I see when I open my box. So it says the Premier Shopping Experience, Curator, and I have this little pamphlet that's going to go over all the items that I got inside my box. This one is the Winter Curation. All right. Again, there are customizations. So usually you have at least 2 customization choices. I think for this one, yeah, for this one it was 2. That's the norm. You can also add on. If there's something that you love and can't live without, you can add on. All right, we're going to start with this. This is by Joara. I love trying some of these brands that are a little bit more expensive that I probably would not buy on my own without being able to try it first, so that's perfect. This is the Candle Nut Reed Diffuser. It says a beachy getaway in a sleek amber bottle. Their home fragrance blends verdant botanicals with soft florals and a whisper of coconut to create a truly intoxicating scent that lingers. It retails for $54. And most of these items, if you choose to repurchase them, so if you run out, you use it, you love it, she has coupon codes for all of those things so that you could get them again, but at a discounted price. All right, let's see if I can show you what this looks like. Here we go. I love this fancy box. Check this out. So you have the reeds and the fragrance. Let's see if I can smell this. I want to see what this smells like. She said it smells beachy. All right, I got this open. Oh, and it does smell really good. It does. So it looks like it's very light, very airy, very spa-like. I like that. All right, I'm excited to give that a try. That's the first item. Next up, we have Yunyak, Korean Wild Gromwell, Renewing a Palm. So it says, Renewing and Pool. Powered by restorative Gromwell extract, a South Korean super ingredient, the richly textured ampule visibly firms and radiates skin in under 30 minutes. So the most important thing here was that this serum visibly firms and radiates skin in under 30 minutes. So we're going to have to give this a try. Next is our first choice item, and you could choose between the horsebit necklace or the gold cuff bracelet. So there's the bracelet. I got the necklace, which we're going to dig into. So for the necklace, it says uplift every outfit with classic equestrian inspired elegance, defined by its sleek horsebit charm. This layered gold-plated necklace puts a modern twist on a timeless motif. It retails for $125. The gold cuff bracelet says bold and effortlessly chic. The gold-plated adjustable cuff features an organic shape that's statement-making on its own, but also layers beautifully for a trendy stacked effect. And it retails for $100. So for the necklace, here's what it looks like. I'm enjoying the double strand here. And this is a nice weight. So it's not too heavy, but it's not too light. It's not going to like swing around delicately. I think it's going to stay in place. So let's give that a try. Easy to put on. You can stack it with other jewelry that you have. Yeah, I like that. It's pretty. It goes nicely with the necklace I had already had on. I like that. If you got the bracelet, let me know if I should shop the site for it to match. I'd love to hear about it. Then we have the Taliana Aragon jewelry tray. It says created exclusively for Curator. This delicate tray draws on the tones and patterns of rare Tuscan alabaster, offering an elegant home for your tiny treasures. It retails for $89. I like the little gold around that. It says Tatiana on the back. Taliana. That's a cute little keeper of the things, right? And the last item is a wrap. This was also a choice item. Okay, and this is by Echo. It came in 2 colors, black or this camel color. I chose the camel. It says this triangular whip stitch wrap made from recycled materials adds a chic layer to any winter ensemble. Gently draped or wrapped for extra coziness. It's a versatile accessory you'll wear on repeat. It retails for $99. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so this is a really nice, soft material. This would be perfect for travel as a blanket, right? And it's by Echo. Here we go. So it is 100% recycled polyester. And it's, of course, a one-size-fits-all. It is in like a triangle. It's easy for you to just wrap up. You could keep this at your desk. You could use it to travel with. Just a nice little wrap. You could even use a belt with it and keep it as your topper for the day. And I like that they gave you choices. So I think the black would be really nice as well. I had just got myself a black one, so I chose this tan instead. But for traveling, these are perfect. These are perfect. And that's everything. So I have my fun necklace, my wrap, I have my diffuser that's going to keep me nice and calm. I have my serum and my little dish to put all my little trinkets. So I think that wasn't bad. What do you guys think? Let me know. Please do comment down below which jewelry piece really stood out to you, because I'm thinking that bangle looks really pretty too. I just tend to always want to wear them on my right hand, and then it's hard for me to work at my computer all day. So if anyone got that one, please let me know how you like it and if I should try to shop it on their shop. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I will put my link to this subscription down below in case you'd like to give it a try. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.